Alright, bought 3 Nintendo Lites from eBay, and let's try to fix them. Let's give a name to them, and let's start with this one, and it at least has a USB port problem, so but then we'll see for the rest. Let's try to fix this. So I named them 7, 8 and 9, and let's start with number 7. And I already took a picture of it. You can see it here, and you can clearly see the USB port there. So we're gonna open it up and then look around inside a little bit. Maybe charge the remove the USB port and then charge the battery and see if we can boot it. And if we can, then we put a new port on, and then we're good to go. So I'm gonna open this up and then I get back to the video. Okay, so I have it open now, and I don't see anything. I don't see any work have been done. It has not got any water damage, at least over here. But yeah, I'm going to hook up a charger to this to see how much it draws. Why I'm gonna do it is you should basically not do it if the USB port is bad, but I'm gonna do it because it didn't look like anything was shorted there, and I just want to see what it draws. Well, it doesn't draw very much. 0.05 amps. Yeah. All right. Well, we definitely have, if we don't only have a destroyed port, we might have another component that is bad somewhere. So I think we're gonna have to remove the motherboard and have a closer look around there, and if we can't find anything, we just remove the port. Okay, so we have the Switch motherboard taken out, and I can't find any shorts anywhere. Also, visual inspection of the board doesn't reveal any problems on either side. Actually, it looks really clean. There is no indication of any work being done on this before. It has not been opened before. This the seal on the heatsink was intact. This, unless they have removed it like this and then glue it back together, but I don't think so. So let's we are now going to remove the port. Okay. Let's see now. Let's put some plugs on here. And let's put some solder here first, and then we can remove it. There we go. It dropped out, and it should be fine. All the traces should be fine now because I didn't rip it in any way. We're going to turn this around slowly and have a look. and yeah, it looks really good. So I think we managed to do it good. So now let's let it cool, and then we'll see. Okay, so I managed to get a little charge into this battery, and I have I think everything hooked up that is needed. This and this, and power. I guess that's the Joy-Con, so I don't need that, but who knows? We'll see what happens now. Oh, look at that! I pressed the wrong button. Okay. What user? Okay, so we got an error message. 210100001. Well, this could be because I don't have everything hooked up, but it works. So let's hook everything up, or actually we could put a USB port there now. Yeah, or actually I'm gonna look up this error first and then see what it is. Yeah, let's do that first. Okay, so the error that we have has to do with the M92 chip here. And I thought I checked the caps around here, but apparently there are shortened caps here. There are 2 of them. Yeah, and here they are, a picture of them, which they are, which ones, and yeah, the error message I found on Decoder had made 2 videos that I will link below, fixing this error with changing the M92 chip. And he also had the problem with the USB port, at least on one of them, maybe both, I don't remember. But yeah, that's good enough for me. We're going to change the M92 chip, and then I'm going to clean this up, this area, so when we have a new chip on, and we can see if the short is gone, and if the short is gone, we will test if it boots, and if it boots, then we can do the USB port. So yeah, let's start with the M92 chip. Let's remove it and put on another. Now this chip is bad, let's put that away, and let's prep it for a new chip. I have to take it from a donor board, so hold on. Okay, so let's put a chip there. Solder it into place. Where is the... Okay, it's over there. That little marking there, spot where the dot should go. So we will put it exactly like that then. There is a chip that should work. That's how it should look. Yeah. So we're done. So now we just have to clean it up and then we'll test it. Alright, I will clean it up now. Alright, battery connected, on button and screen. So let's see, will it boot past the error screen or will we get a boot at all? Yes. Yeah. There we go. Battery 4%. We're in. So now we put the USB port there and then we clean it up a little bit, put it back together and then we are done. Okay, so I only have regular Switch USB ports. The Nintendo Switch Lite has a smaller one. You can see the picture here. We're gonna take one of these, file it down, and then we're gonna put one on instead, and that's gonna work just fine. So let's do that, and then let's put it on. Pressing down a little bit. Alright, enough together for testing. So let's see what happens here. Battery icon. Yeah. Charging 16%. Excellent. I'm gonna clean a little bit, put it all back together, and then we test it together. Yes. Okay, so here is the Switch number 7 back together, and it now works and it charges fine both ways. So it was the port and it was the error message. Thank you, decoder. I will put 2 videos from that helped me with the error code that really helped me fix this Switch, and yeah, thank you for that. I removed the rubber paddings, and then I bought new ones actually, but these are only to protect the rubbers that are underneath. So I need to find the originals, and I guess you can find them someday on eBay also, but they haven't arrived yet. So, but this is how it's gonna look, and yeah, then I put the little serial number there also. It looks really good, and yeah, for these other 2 switches, unfortunately, it was also only USB-C port problem on them, and this also had a dirty display touch connector, so I only had to clean them, and yeah, I'm not gonna make a separate video. This is gonna go also with this same one, but yeah, we now fixed all these discharge fine both ways also. So yeah, it was kind of sad that they were only USB-C port problems, but hey, sometimes you get this, and well, we sell these and we buy more and then we fix them again. So thank you for watching very much, and have a nice day. Damn it. I had got thermal paste on my finger. I didn't notice that.